It's hard to resist the opportunity to earn over $500 daily. Even we'd be crazy not to take that offer up. Imagine making that amount of money every single day on complete autopilot. Imagine the freedom and control you'd hold. You can finally go on long vacations or even catering to both your wants and needs at the same time. Literally anything and everything that you desire, it can happen for you. And to be able to bring all of these fantasies to life, all you will need is this strategy that we are going to be sharing with you guys in today's video. Whatever it is that we're going to show you, keep in mind that it is 100% free, so you won't have to worry about paying anything, and it's also available in all parts of the world. So no matter where you're from, you can participate and earn in the same way as everyone else. We're going to be walking you through the whole process for today because we don't want you guys to get lost and so that you guys can catch up easily. Now, keep in mind that to be able to do today's method, you will need a phone or a computer or a laptop or a tablet and a stable internet connection. And if you have all of that ready, then you're super ready to get paid $500 every day. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you guys won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now we want you to open up your default browser and type in sellix.com and then hit enter on that. And this is what you should see next. This is the website that's going to make us the easiest $500 ever. Now scroll down to the most bottom part of this webpage and then look for affiliates and click on that. And then that's going to take you to right here. As you can see, Sellix Affiliate Program. Join the fastest growing affiliate program in the industry. Partner up with Sellix and get paid for giving your audience the tools and insights they need to succeed on Amazon. Now, we're sure all of you guys know what affiliate marketing is and how it works and all that, but if you don't, then let me give you a little background on it. It's basically where we refer other people to Sellix.com or to whatever website you're working with, and when they use your affiliate link to open the website or purchase something or really just bring any sort of traffic possible to the website, so long that they are using your link, you're gonna get paid for it. That's basically what it is, and that's exactly what we're gonna be doing with Sellix today. This is how we're gonna make our $500. Isn't that crazy? To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now you're going to be earning a 100% commission of your first month working with Sellix and a 50% commission in the following months. Now that's a huge commission, right? So let's go through this website a little bit more before we jump into the real details. So why become a Sellix affiliate? Sellix is the leading Amazon all-in-one software solution that helps sellers and brands on Amazon to grow their business on Amazon PPC and beyond. So first, you have unlimited earnings, okay? $2,000 every week. Your success is our success, so there are no limits. Next, you get commission for every free report. Then you get special deals like personalized codes and deals for your audience, and you get paid immediately. Your payout will be processed immediately after it is reviewed in dollars to your PayPal account. It's literally that simple. You can get started in just 4 easy steps. Step 1, you're going to register. Step 2, you're going to go through the application review. Step 3, you're going to get a qualification phone call. And step 4, you're finally going to be a part of the Sellics family. It's really nothing too complicated. Literally anyone can take part in this. Get paid for every download. It is simple. You can register to become a Sellics affiliate now. So go ahead and take a look at this right here. Let's say someone downloads the Sellics app using your link and subscribes to this $259 plan using your link as well. Now, on the first month of every subscriber, you're going to earn that full $259, which means if someone were to choose the $1,259 plan, then that's all going to be yours on every subscriber's first month. The following months will just be 50% commission, but that's still huge. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now it's time we sign up for a free account, and to do so, you're just gonna wanna click on apply now, and this should pop up on your screen. So you're gonna fill up everything being asked of you like you normally would. And once you've completed all of that, you can submit that in, and then once you're all logged in, you can finally get your unique affiliate link. And to make it even more unique than it already is, we can actually go ahead and shorten that link. And we do suggest that you really take the step as well. And to do so, all you have to do is open up bit.ly.com, and you guys know how this works and what it is because we've talked about it a lot in our past videos. So go ahead and shorten your affiliate link the way we taught you to using bit.ly, and once that's shortened, you can copy that brand new link and you have that link, right? And now it's time we figure out where are we going to be sharing this link to get the most effective and active audience. Now, go ahead and open up facebook.com. And I'm pretty sure that most of you, if not all of you, have a Facebook account already. So make sure you're logged in, and then once you're on your Facebook account, you're going to want to look up in the search bar Amazon seller, and then select on groups under the filters. So that's going to filter all of the Facebook groups that contain Amazon sellers and that cater to Amazon sellers, since that's exactly what we want and that's exactly what we're looking for to be able to spread out our affiliate link. You're going to see all of the Amazon seller groups, and then you're going to want to join all of the groups possible, or as many as you possibly can. Really get in there, okay? And once you've joined all of the groups, or as many groups as you can join, as much as you're capable of doing, you're now going to prepare your post or your script. Now this is an example of what you want to prepare to post along with your affiliate link. You can either create your own, or you can pause this video and copy everything that we've already written down on our little Google Docs file right here. It's basically a guide on how to increase your Amazon sales, and then at the very bottom part of the entire guide should be your affiliate link. That should at least be the template of this post that you're going to be creating. So as soon as you have this post down, just copy the whole thing, making sure that your affiliate link is already pasted, and then open up all of the Facebook groups that you've joined, paste your entire ready-made script as a status, post that in as many groups possible, and you can even reply to other posts on the group with your script. And then just like that, you're just gonna wait for the money to come in like a river, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.